Hey there, toast lovers, have you ever wondered how that plain slice of bread transforms into a crispy, golden brown delight? It's like magic, right? Well, not quite. It's the science of toasting. And it all happens inside that wonderful appliance we call a toaster. We all love a good piece of toast, whether it's slathered with butter and kaya or topped with avocado and an egg. But have you ever stopped to think about the clever engineering that makes it all possible? Get ready to explore the fascinating world inside your toaster. We'll uncover the secrets of the heating elements, the lever's important job, and the timer that makes sure your toast is perfectly browned, not burnt. So buckle up, grab your favorite slice of bread, and let's dive into the wonderful world of toasters. Using a toaster is super easy, right? Even a young child can make toast, with adult supervision, of course. First, you pop your bread into the slots. Then, you choose how dark you want your toast by adjusting the little knob. Finally, you push down the lever, and the toaster comes alive, and the heating elements start doing their thing. After a short wait, accompanied by a satisfying click, your toast pops up, ready to be enjoyed. Simple, right? But behind this simple process lies a fascinating interplay of science and engineering. Let's peek behind the curtain and see what's really going on inside your toaster. Inside every toaster is a hidden world of wires, metal, and a little bit of magic. Okay, maybe not actual magic, but it seems like it. When you look at a toaster from the outside, it seems like a simple appliance. But once you peek inside, you'll find a complex system designed to give you the perfect toast every time. From the moment you push down the lever, a series of events is set into motion. Electricity flows through the wires, and the magic begins. The most important part of a toaster is the heating element, a special type of wire that gets super hot when you turn on the toaster. This wire is the heart of the toaster, converting electrical energy into heat. Without it, your bread would remain just that, bread, and not the delicious toast we all love. This wire, often made of a material called nichrome, is coiled up inside the toaster and is responsible for giving your toast that beautiful golden brown color. Nichrome is an alloy of nickel and chromium, and it's chosen for its ability to withstand high temperatures without melting. It's also resistant to oxidation, which means it won't rust or degrade easily, ensuring your toaster lasts longer. Imagine these wires like tiny glowing heaters that radiate heat onto your bread. As the nichrome wire heats up, it emits infrared radiation, which is absorbed by the bread, causing it to toast. The even distribution of heat is crucial for achieving that perfect toast. But it's not just about getting hot. The toaster also needs to make sure your toast is cooked evenly on both sides. Uneven toasting can result in one side being burnt while the other remains undercooked. This is where the design of the toaster plays a vital role. That's where the toaster's design comes in, with strategically placed heating elements that ensure both sides of your bread get the same amount of heat. The placement and spacing of these elements are carefully calculated to provide uniform heat distribution. Some toasters even have additional features like adjustable browning settings and timers to give you more control over the toasting process. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into the fascinating world of nichrome and understand why it's the perfect material for toasting bread. We'll explore its properties, how it's manufactured, and why it outperforms other materials in the high-heat environment of a toaster. Stay tuned for more insights into the science behind your morning toast. Now let's talk about nichrome, the unsung hero of the toasting world. Nichrome is a special blend of nickel and chromium, and it's the secret ingredient that makes your toaster work its magic. You see, nichrome has this amazing ability to get really hot without melting or catching fire. Imagine if your toaster's wires melted every time you used it. Chaos. But nichrome can handle the heat, making it the perfect choice for toasting your bread to perfection. Plus, nichrome is a great conductor of electricity, which means it can quickly turn electrical energy into heat energy, ensuring your toast is ready in a jiffy. So, next time you're enjoying a crispy slice of toast, remember to thank nichrome, the toasting champion hiding inside your toaster. Section 5. The timer's crucial role. Have you ever wondered how the toaster knows when to stop toasting? It's a question that might not cross your mind often, but it's fascinating to think about. That's where the timer comes in, like a little clock inside your toaster, making sure your toast is perfectly browned and not burnt to a crisp. This tiny component is essential for achieving that golden brown perfection we all love. In the good old days, toasters used a simple but clever system involving a bimetallic strip. This ingenious mechanism was the heart of early toasters. This strip, made of two different metals, would bend when heated, and once it bent enough, it would trigger the release mechanism. The bending of the strip was a precise reaction to the heat, ensuring that the toast was cooked just right. It would release the lever, and your toast would pop up. This simple yet effective method was a marvel of early engineering. Nowadays, most toasters use electronic timers, which are more precise and give you more control over how long your bread toasts. These modern timers allow for a variety of settings from light to dark, catering to everyone's preferences. These timers use electrical circuits and components like capacitors to measure time, ensuring your toast is cooked to your liking. The precision of these electronic components means you can achieve consistent results every time. So, whether it's a simple bimetallic strip or a fancy electronic timer, these little timekeepers play a crucial role in making sure your toast is always just right. They are the unsung heroes of our morning routines, ensuring that we start our day with a perfectly toasted slice of bread. Section 6 Browning. It's all about the heat. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite part, the browning. That beautiful golden brown color on your toast isn't just for looks, it's a sign of a delicious chemical reaction called the Maillard reaction. Don't worry, there's no test afterward. The Maillard reaction happens when the heat from the toaster's heating elements interacts with the sugars and amino acids naturally present in bread. This reaction creates hundreds of new flavor compounds, giving your toast that irresistible aroma and delicious taste. And the best part? The longer you toast your bread, the more Maillard reactions take place, resulting in a darker color and a more intense flavor. So whether you like your toast light and golden or dark and crunchy, it's the Maillard reaction that makes it all possible. Section 7. From manual to modern, a toast to history. Believe it or not, toasters haven't always been these sleek automatic appliances we know and love today. The toaster's history is a fascinating journey through time, reflecting the evolution of technology and design. The journey of the toaster is a testament to human ingenuity, starting with the simple desire for toasted bread. Imagine a time when toasting bread was a manual task, requiring patience and precision. Before electric toasters, people used to toast bread over open fires or using simple metal frames placed over stoves. Talk about hard work. These methods were labor-intensive and required constant attention to avoid burning the bread. Then came the first electric toasters, which, while innovative, were a far cry from the convenient appliances we have today. These early models were rudimentary, often lacking the features we now take for granted. These early toasters often required you to manually flip the bread to toast both sides, and they didn't have timers, so you had to keep a close eye on your toast to prevent burning. It was a delicate balance between achieving the perfect toast and ending up with a charred slice. Over time, toasters have evolved dramatically, with the invention of automatic pop-up mechanisms, adjustable browning controls, and even fancy features like bagel settings and defrost functions. These advancements have made toasting bread easier and more precise, catering to our diverse preferences. From manual toasting over an open fire to the modern marvels we have in our kitchens today, the toaster's journey is a testament to our never-ending quest for perfectly toasted bread. The evolution of the toaster mirrors our own progress, showcasing how far we've come in our pursuit of convenience and culinary perfection. Section 8. Safety first, when toasting. Toasters are pretty amazing, but like all electrical appliances, it's important to use them safely. Always remember to unplug your toaster when you're not using it, and never, ever stick metal objects inside the toaster slots. Water and electricity don't mix, so keep your toaster away from sinks and never try to clean it while it's plugged in. And if you ever see sparks or smell burning, unplug the toaster immediately and let it cool down completely before checking for any problems. Remember, a little bit of caution goes a long way in ensuring your toasting adventures are always safe and enjoyable. Section 9. Time to enjoy your toast. So there you have it, toast enthusiasts. We've journeyed into the heart of your toaster, uncovering the secrets behind those perfectly browned slices of bread. From the humble beginnings of toasting bread over open fires to the modern marvels we have in our kitchens today, the toaster has come a long way. Next time you're enjoying a crispy golden brown piece of toast, take a moment to appreciate the science, engineering, and yes, even a little bit of magic that goes into making this breakfast staple so special. Now go forth and toast to your heart's content.